everyone, I am Mana from Delhi Technological University. For the mentorship program, I decided to go ahead with the very first problem statement, that is face recognition. So I created a website that will help user to keep track of attendance using face recognition. So in this video, I will discuss about all the features that I have included in this project, and I will also give you a quick demo of how this web application works. As we all know that taking attendance is really necessary when we are attending a meeting or a lecture. But taking attendance itself is a very hectic task, and vast portion of our time is consumed just for taking attendance. So taking attendance automatically just by face recognition can come very handy, and that is why I have created this website that will help us save a lot of our time. So I have created this website using Flask. I am using SQLite for the database. For the front end, I have included Bootstrap libraries, and for the face recognition, I am using OpenCV Python. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the demo. So in this requirement.txt file, we have all the important libraries that we will have to install to run this project. As you can see, the website is up and running. So let's quickly go to the website and see how it's working. So this is the landing page of our website, and here you can see we have very simple get started button that will take us to the home page. In the home page we have different cards. Each of these cards display a classroom. So for a classroom we have class name, we have the subject for the particular class, we have a quick summary of our attendance, and we can go to the particular class. But before we jump in a certain class, let's see how we can create a class. And with this simple step we have created a class. So in this classroom there is a banner that displays class name and subject and lists all the people that are enrolled in that particular classroom. We can add any number of people by just clicking on add people and filling out this form. And just by that we have added a new person in our database. We can manually mark anyone absent or present by simply clicking on mark present or mark absent. Also we have a feature to reset attendance if we want to take attendance again. Now here comes the face recognition part. As you can see in the top bar, we have an option mark attendance using cam. So if I click on that, I will be going in a page where you can see the camera popping up, and in the camera the project is actually recognizing my face and it is showing Manav Patel. So if I go back to the people, you can see Mano is now present by just showing my face. So another feature right here is switch to screen capture. If I click on it, for mark attendance using camera is switched with mark attendance using screen capture. So this is another sample classroom that I have created using the same add people method. And here I have included a bunch of people. And for the pictures of these people, I have simply added sample images. And you can also find this folder in my GitHub repo as well. So now as you can see, the program is reading the desktop screen and capturing the live data from the desktop itself. Now I will just pass through some of the images. So here we can verify that all the people that I showed in the screen capture are marked present. And if we go to classroom, we can also see that 6 out of 9 are present. Also, we can simply download attendance by just clicking download CSV report. This will download us a report, attendance report, that will have the details of present and absent students. Here you can see the details of present and absent people. This app is really beneficial if we want to take attendance quickly and efficiently. So that is it. Thank you for sticking around till the end. This was my website, Face Track, attendance tracking made super easy. Thank you.